Friday. Another day gonna be good. That's not wrong. 3 way now. I know she didn't send us this. Sounds it. Stress money. I know she did not give me this today. I remember my Pedalbox supposed to come in today, honestly. Cause I do not feel like doing it. 10 o'clock? Oh my god. Yeah, I'm doing this right today, honestly. I didn't know. Oh, look what we have here. Time to get your favorite Mustang on her now. Man, Midnight's gonna hate me for this one. Oh well, she'll get over it. Man, it's cold. Well, here goes nothing. Let's see how she feel about this. Hey, babe. How you doing today? Ooh, time to have some fun. Midnight.
See what I'm doing? Can you see me good?
Alright, well I just installed my Pedalbox. Let's see how we get this bad boy to working. Midnight gonna hate me. So turn my car on the run. My engine doesn't need to be running. Press and hold plus and minus buttons for at least 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Perfect tune is now ready to be customized. Slowly press accelerator from neutral position to full throttle. Alright. You may need to overcome a slight resistance. Release the accelerator pedal back to the neutral position. Alright. Slowly. To complete the perfect tune, press the blinker button for 3 seconds. Alright. 1, 2, 3. It's all set up. Time to hit the road. Oh, oh, time to go do some pulls. Ooh. Ooh. Safety first. Ooh. All right, let's go. Road dirty. Missing midnight over now. It's like real responsive. Like I just in the RPM when I barely touch it. Oh my God. Jesus. Yeah, I'm in love with this thing right here. It's on Sport Plus 4. The gas pedal. Oh my. Bro, what is he doing? Don't get over it. It feels way more responsive. Oh my. That feels nice. It's good. I like it. It has a different feel. Like a way different. So we finna do a dig. I'm putting it back in stock. Turn it on. Feel way different. Finna do some digs real quick, just to get the feel of it. Going to the good spot. Finna get our real pool in the 392 midnight.
Yes, sir. So that was without the pedal box in sport mode. Now I'm finna put the pedal box in sport mode plus with sport mode on the car on, and we're gonna see what it do. Yes, sir. Folks, yes sir, that pedal box does make a huge difference. The reaction time from your throttle from 0 to smash is like, it's out of this world, you guys. Pedal box did a good job. Out. Thank Pedalbox for sending me the pedal box for my TA 392. It was an absolute amazing experience, switching through all the modes, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. I mean, my TA, it was fun without the pedal box, but now it's just amazing. And I can't wait to see how many more memories I'll make in my car now. All right, you guys, this is Outlaw_707 on Instagram.
I drive a 2020 wide body Daytona Hellcat. And coming from that, jumping into this TA 392 of Kayla's today with the pedal box and without the pedal box was absolutely amazing. The throttle response was absolutely outstanding. And now I'm wondering at this point in time, pedal box, what are you guys gonna do to help Outlaw see if he can get that same throttle response? Yes, sir.
What's going on, guys, man? I hope y'all like that video, man. We put a lot of time and effort, and I want to give a special thanks out to Pedalbox, like my son said, and Outlaw. The Pedalbox, I already have it on my car, which is a 2019 Dodge Charger. It has airbags on it and all that other jazz, but I put the Pedalbox on it because I wanted that different throttle response. Now, I'm not gonna go through all the little modes. You can read the book for that, but I want to say he is happy now, and I am so excited. So if y'all like this video, this is what I want y'all to do. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. And I want you to go follow all of us on Instagram. Our links will be in the description below. And thank you again, Pedalbox. And we're gonna see y'all in my next video. Peace.